Good morning, e-learners. How are you all? Fine? Okay. Welcome to your virtual class of English. I hope you all are learning and enjoying through it. Students, in our last video, we did our chapter number 2 of grammar, in which we learned types of nouns, common nouns and proper nouns. Students, today we will learn more about nouns, countable and uncountable nouns. Okay, let's understand this concept through an activity. Now I will show you some real objects. Now look, here are some apples. Okay, can we count them? क्या हम इन्हें गिन सकते हैं? Yes, we can count them. 1, 2 and 3. There are 3 apples. Okay, now look here. How many spoons are there? यहाँ कितने spoons हैं? Can we count them? क्या हम उन्हें count कर सकते हैं? Yes, we can count them. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. There are 5 spoons. Okay, now look here. There are some cups. Okay, can we count them? Yes, we can count them. 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are 4 cups. Now look here. There are some pencils. Can we count them? Yes, we can count them. 1, 2 and 3. There are 3 pencils. Okay. Now look here. There is a bowl. Okay. Now there is sugar in this bowl. Can we count it? क्या हम इसे count कर सकते हैं? No, we cannot count it. Now look here. There is also a bowl. There is salt in this bowl. Okay. Can we count it? क्या हम इसे count कर सकते हैं? No, we cannot count it. Okay. See, there is water in this glass. Can we count it? क्या हम इसे count कर सकते हैं? हम ऐसे बोलते हैं 1 water, 2 water, 3 water. नहीं बोलते ना? Now look here. There is milk in this glass. Can we count it? क्या हम उसे count कर सकते हैं milk को? हम ऐसे बोलते हैं 1 milk, 2 milk, 3 milk, 4 milk. नहीं बोलते ना? So we cannot count it. Okay. Now again look here. Okay. अब हम यहाँ दोबारा से देखेंगे. All these nouns, cups, spoons, pencils and apples, all these are countable nouns because we can count them on fingers. इनको हम गिन सकते हैं. इनको इन सबको हम गिन सकते हैं. So all these are countable nouns. Okay. Now see, we cannot count all these nouns. हम इन सब nouns को count नहीं कर सकते. Sugar को, salt को, milk को, water को. We cannot count it. So all these are uncountable nouns. Okay. So it means countable nouns are nouns that we can count on fingers. Countable nouns कौन से nouns होते हैं जिनको हम fingers पे count कर सकते हैं? For example, apple, cup, banana, etc. Okay. And uncountable nouns are nouns that we cannot count, जिनको हम fingers पर count नहीं कर सकते हैं. For example, oil, milk, juice, etc. Okay. Now students, I hope you all have understood the topic very well. So it's time to check how much you have learned. So it's time for exercise part. Okay. This is the exercise. What you have to do? आपको क्या करना है? You have to fill the blanks with countable and uncountable nouns given in the clue box. आप देखेंगे यहाँ पर नीचे clue box दिया हुआ है, उसमें कुछ clues दिए हुए हैं, उसमें कुछ countable और uncountable nouns हैं. आपको क्या करना है? You will see the picture first. आप पहले picture को देखेंगे, then identify the nouns, countable nouns and uncountable nouns. फिर आप countable और uncountable nouns को पहचानेंगे clue box में से, then you will fill the blanks. फिर आप blanks को fill करेंगे. Okay. You will also do the practice in your English notebook. Now here is another practice work for you. अब एक और प्रैक्टिस करनी है आपने. क्या? What you have to do? आपको क्या करना है? You will read the passage carefully. आप पैसेज को, ये जो नीचे पैसेज दिया हुआ है, इसको बहुत ध्यान से पढ़ेंगे and identify the nouns given in it. Okay? और जो इस पैसेज में nouns दिए हुए हैं, अब आपको nouns clear है ना? वो nouns आपने पहचानने हैं and you will write it in your English notebook. Okay? Now I will read the passage. Robodex is a robot. He is in a race. Other robots are also there in the race. Robodex has wheels on his feet. He rolls fast. Look, he is rolling past the other robots. Children are cheering the racing robots. All other racing robots are left behind. Robodex has won the race. Okay, you will also write the nouns in your English notebook. Okay. Now it's time to increase your word power. Okay. Our first word is begin. B-E-G-I-N. Begin means शुरू. शुरू करना या शुरू होना. Next word is break. B-R-E-A-K. Break. Break means टूटना. Next word is beautiful. B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L. Beautiful means सुंदर. Last word is buy. B-U-Y. Buy means खरीदना. Okay. You will learn this and write in your English notebook. Okay. Till then, keep smiling. Bye.